So you are a new YouTuber who is just starting, or probably you are already thinking about starting a YouTube channel, and you have actually checked the numbers and you've said, okay, you need to have 4,000 watch hours, you need to have 1,000 or 500 subscribers, and you're already worried about this number because you don't know if you'll be able to achieve this, and you actually want to make money on time on YouTube. I've got a secret for you, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. If you will just give me some minutes out of your time, and we are just going to go through this, and I'm going to show you how you can actually make money on YouTube without actually being monetized. My name is Akere. Welcome back to my channel, and without further ado, let's just dive into what I'm going to be talking about. So I'm going to be listing 4 things you can actually do, 4 things which you can actually do, and this will actually give you results, and you'll be earning a lot of money without even being monetized. And even after monetization, you can still continue with those 4 things, and these 4 things are even going to give you more money after monetization than how much YouTube can ever pay you. So the first thing I'm going to be listing is brand sponsorship. So you've seen many people work with different brands and different organizations, and then you're actually wondering, okay, what is the basis of this thing? So brand sponsorship means that some brands might even want you to promote their products for them, or they might want you to do a product. They might want you to talk about their products, review one of their products. Just, I think 2 weeks ago, I got an email from a particular brand. They sell cameras, all those gadgets which you need to actually record a video, or for you as a filmmaker. They actually wrote me and like, okay, we want you to pick anything from our website, and we want you to review this stuff for you. And they are like, okay, we are going to give you this thing for free actually. So they intend to give me this stuff for free, and in return I'm going to make a video for them. So when I make this video for them, I'm just going to review the product, and anything I like I can do with the product, meaning I can even sell the product after reviewing the product. I can be like, okay, I just want to sell this product, and then I'll get some money from it, even though I actually get it for free. This is what they call brand sponsorship. So you can actually write many brands on Instagram or on TikTok. You can write them and be like, okay, I love your products. Will you mind if I can review your product? You can get the products for free, or some of them might even pay you. I actually got an email from another brand, also Study Pool, and they're like, okay, we are going to pay you we are going to pay you. I think they said they're going to pay you $500 or $300 or something. I can't remember. It's some month ago. And like, okay, we give you 50% upward, and after making the video, you get the rest of the 50%. This is what sponsorship, is. And even if you are not monetized on YouTube, you can actually do this, and then you'll be getting a lot of money from this. And the next thing I'm going to be talking about is physical product. So if you are somebody who have like physical, maybe you are a fashion designer, or maybe you have some products which you can sell, or what you are talking about on your YouTube channel has to do with a particular product, you can actually build this product. Maybe you are into clothing, you can actually build this particular product, and then you sell this product. And by the time you sell this product, even without monetization, thank God YouTube has YouTube Shop, which you can actually place your product, and then you can even use Shopify if you want, and then you can sell this product, and in return you get money from this particular product. This you don't even need monetization for. So if I'm a fashion designer and actually make clothes, I can just do one of my styles or something, and then I'll just start selling. And you have the audience already. Imagine you already have like a lot of people watching your video. Even if it's 500 people watching your video, or 1,000 people watching your video, from 500 or 1,000 people, and then you make this dress and be like, okay, I'm selling this dress for this particular stuff, and you put it online for them to buy, and you just put some sales on it. Trust me, people are going to start buying this particular cloth. That is what you call physical products. I hope you are getting the gist, and I'm going to go to the next one. The next one is consulting and freelancing. Consulting, this is very, very easy. Like, this is so easy. I remember when I was making this video on make money, when I was making the video on how to study in Germany, I had a lot of people coming to me, can you guide me how to do this? Can you guide me through my application process? Can you guide me how to search for university? Can you guide me how to apply to university? Can you guide me after getting the university admission? Can you just help me how I can apply for my visa, the documents I need to bring, This I was doing for free. This I was doing for free. But this is 2024. You don't have to do all this thing for free because you actually paid a lot of money to get in information. Maybe you are studying abroad and actually you pay a lot of money to go to the abroad, like we will say. So you can actually start hosting consulting class, and then people come, you can just charge them some little fee and okay, I'm going to give you 20 minutes out of my time. This is how much you are going to pay for 20 minutes, and you can ask me the questions which you want, and I am going to provide you all the answers which you need. This is what you call consulting, and people are actually making money from this even without being monetized on YouTube. So if you are into educational channel, or maybe you are even a cooking channel and someone just wants a one-on-one class for one of your crazy recipe, this recipe that you can use to charm your spouse or something like that, you can just host a class with them and be like, okay, I'm going to give you 30 minutes out of my time, we are going to connect, I'm going to teach you how to make this particular recipe, and then this is how much you're going to pay. So this is what you call consulting. This is part of consultation. Anyway, they consult you, they're asking for your ideas, they're asking for your brain, and in return they pay you for you giving them your brain. We are almost at the last one, and if you are watching this channel, before we jump to the last one, I would like you to subscribe. I mean, why not? Because you are getting good information. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, so YouTube algorithm can actually recommend this video to another person who might be actually interested in the same thing. So smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and of course you get a notification when I drop the next video, which probably might be coming during the week. So let's jump to the last one, and the last one is going to be affiliate marketing. This is another form of making money online. It's almost as the same as brand sponsorship, but affiliate marketing is like, okay, you go on a website, let's say a music website, where you can actually download free music for your, not even free music, they are also paid ones, for your YouTube intro, outro, and everything. And then you always get a link, and in this link they will write that link, and you actually put slash your username, and then you can put this link in your links on or in your description of your video, and when people click this link and they buy any of these products, you also get a commission from it. Let's say you actually get music from, I don't know, none of them is coming to my head right now, I don't know why, but you actually get music from them, be like, and you put the link in your description, people go and they buy the same song, you get a commission for it. Or you have a website which you always visit often, you get their link, you get the affiliate link. Like for some of us that make money online content, we also get links. So you see, some of us, we are talking about some websites where you can actually make some cool cash, and by the time you see we have this link in the description, we tell you go to the description to click on the link. When you click on the link and you actually start partaking in this stuff, also we also get some commission from what you are doing. You get it just right, you get the point. So that is what is called affiliate marketing, and this, you don't even need monetization for it, because even without being monetized, you are going to get this money. I've mentioned 4, and I hope you can remember 4 of them. I talked about brand sponsorship, I talked about physical products, I talked about consulting, and I talked about affiliate marketing. I hope this video was actually informative for you. If it's informative for you, I will say it again, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and of course come back for more. My name is Akere, and this is everything I want to bring to you today. Until I catch you in the next video, which is going to be in the middle of the week. For now, stay cool and have a blessed one. Bye for now.